Hello, folks. Richard Fontana here. I invite you to work with my internet coaches to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Now, my coaches are Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmeyer. And they will work with you until you actually make $10,000 a month. Now, those of us who are in this program are making some good money. So this is a massive opportunity for you folks. So don't delay. Click that first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product, the second link in the description at any point during this review. And I'll give you 4 exceptional bonuses. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources every Friday. So grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. And so when you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you can buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price and deliver that to your buyer, and you pocket the difference. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And here's the crucial thing. It's not any ordinary passive income. It's a recurring passive income. And you can do that with a certain amount of ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day working the entire system. And you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic sources. Now, let's get back to that review.
It's that time of the year, folks. The snow is falling, Santa and the reindeers are getting ready to load up their sleigh, and children across the world are hanging up their stockings and trying to be on their best behaviour. But what about us grown-ups here in marketing land? Well, this year I've decided to give away the greatest gift of all this Christmas. The gift of daily traffic forever. Hi, I'm Dawood Islam, and this year we're going to give you the best Christmas treat you've ever had. In just 60 seconds from now, you can be set up with free buyer traffic each and every day from 5 different traffic sources, including one brand new one unknown to virtually all marketers. Welcome to Christmas Traffic 3.0. I'm giving you the chance to enjoy free daily traffic from this brand new rotator for the rest of this year and every single day throughout 2024. All you do is submit any URL of your choice in under 60 seconds and we'll do all the rest. Here's what you get with your amazing Christmas Traffic 3.0 package. Firstly, place any URL on our brand new Christmas Traffic 3.0 rotator. This new rotator is currently completely empty, so those who act fast will enjoy 10 times more traffic than those who delay. Secondly, place any URL on our Autumn Traffic rotator and enjoy free daily traffic forever in any niche. Thirdly, you've guessed it, place any URL on our Summer Traffic 2.0 rotator for even more free daily traffic. Fourthly, place your URL on our Spring Traffic 2.0 rotator for free daily traffic from my own websites in the MMO niche. And fifthly, place any link on our Winter Traffic 2.0 rotator for even more traffic from a completely different traffic source. And even sixthly, learn how to get free organic traffic on demand whenever you need it with our amazing Total Traffic training. Getting all this is easy. Step 1. pick up your copy of Christmas Traffic 3.0 before the price goes up. If you delay, you will pay more. Step 2. Submit any URL of your choice in under 60 seconds. And Step 3. Sit back and enjoy free daily traffic now and forever from 5 different traffic sources. But remember, those who act quickly will enjoy a 10 times traffic boost by getting their links on the brand new Christmas Traffic 3.0 rotator before everyone else. So be sure you act today and submit your links immediately. So, this Christmas, pick up the gift that keeps on giving, because with Christmas Traffic 3.0, it really is Christmas every day of the year. Ho, ho, ho! We'll see you on the inside.
Oh yes, before we go, check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in that first link below. You won't be disappointed. And don't forget my 4 exceptional bonuses. They will show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They'll show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. And they'll show you how to gain recurring income online easily. And they will show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Now, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.